In the recent times, we have seen tremendous growth in the rural sector in terms of investments, education, inclusion, and economic development. In 2012, rural areas in India laid claim to 56% of India's income, 64% of consumer expenditure, and 33% of India's savings. Experts on the economy have predicted that robust rural consumption will continue to encourage big players to further explore India's hinterland in search of new markets, channels, and product innovations. Clearly, village has become the epicenter of action in India. Village is the life-bearing cell of the national body, and each of this cell must be healthy and developed for the nation to progress. India, whose 65% population is in rural, has been taking many steps to strengthen its rural economy. Through Charkha movement, Mahatma Gandhi created employment for villagers. And now, in the new era of innovation, efforts have to be focused on to bringing a sustainable change in rural India by empowering the rural people. But over time, has the term rural evolved to become a cross-section of a multitude of stakeholders, such as the farmer societies, not-for-profit organizations, the corporate sector, the government, and the other players. At V School, efforts in this direction started way back in 2009 to map this evolution and the emerging opportunities from the same. Under the able leadership of our group director, Professor Dr. Uday Salunke, V School has taken impressive strides in area of management education and research in the past decade. V School first forayed into the rural sector in the year 2009 with a joint project with Stanford University's Design for Change Center for exploring alternate energy-based ecosystem for rural India. This was shortly followed by a mega event, Gram Sabha, organized by V School to bring the representatives from the rural sector to share the platform with corporate executives and government representatives to discuss various aspects of business that define the growth in the rural sector. The Government of India has declared 2010-20 as the decade of innovation with a focus on inclusive growth. V School showcased its innovation projects emanating from Exploring the Grassroots program taken up by the students to the then President of India, Srimati Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. The President herself highly appreciated the projects and encouraged us for translating the ideas into actions for empowering India by building competent cadre of rural management professionals. To realize this vision into action, V School designed PGDM Rural Management Emerging Economies, which encompassed both corporate and rural aspects of business in July 2012, with a mission to create corporate managers with rural insights. The Rural Management Program focuses on rural wealth creation through development of sustainable business models in rural space, where the corporate, the society, and the youth all have a win-win situation. The course curriculum has been designed to provide a balance of core management subjects and immersion into the rural milieu. The program prepares the student to work in any industry sector of their choice with premium knowledge about the rural sector, facilitated by on-field rural projects and research experience through rural internship. Exposure of an international level, like the Global Citizen Leadership Program, offers practical exposure on two major aspects: design thinking and leadership, which an aspiring manager of today must imbibe to excel in the challenging market scenarios of the future. Achievements of our students in tackling the rural research problems offered by the industry and success in various competitions across industries and academics are an indication of their rigor, innovative thought process, and dedication to the sector. Through such emphasis on grassroots level understanding of the rural sector, V School attempts to mold the young minds of future rural managers and leaders. The most significant learning outcome has been the realization of the fact that the rural sector is a treasure of opportunities lying in our own backyards. In fact, we have realized that we, the urban counterpart stakeholders, need rural more than how much the rural needs us.
Created using Powtoon.